Paper 2, question 12. You are asked in part A to solve the following equation. Okay, so getting x by itself, first thing you want to do is expand that bracket. So that 3 there is multiplying everything that's inside the bracket. So it's multiplying that 3, it's multiplying that negative 2. If you do those, you expand it, you end up with 3x take away 6. In order to solve an equation, you need to get the letter by itself. There are more than one letter here, so that's your biggest problem. Decide, I would recommend that you get the letters on the side that has more of them. So there are 3 x's over here. There is, excuse me, 1 x on the right hand side. So in other words, we want the letters over here. There's our equal sign. We need to get rid of that x. So I will take that x away to get rid of it. Have to do the same over here, leaving me with 2x. We're still left with take away 6. That's now gone, and we have 7 plus 7 on that side. Getting x by itself, we have a multiplying by 2 going on and a take away 6. Those two things are both happening to x. You get rid of the thing that is furthest away from the letter, or if you look at it as having x and getting to this, you're doing the opposite of BODMAS basically. So this times 2 happens first, we deal with it last. This take away 6 happens last, we deal with it first. Get rid of a take away 6, add 6 to both sides, leaving us with 2x equals 13. And in order to get x by itself there, we divide both sides by 2. X is going to be 13 over 2, or 6.5. Part B. Again, solve. 2 take away y, all over 5 equals 1. Now, as I was saying in that last question, based on the order of things happening to the letter, that tells you which thing you need to get rid of first. So with this, if you have y, you're taking it away from 2. That thing is going on first. You then have this divide by 5. So we want to get rid of that divide by 5 before we start dealing with what's in here. To get rid of a divide by 5, we multiply by 5. And that will get rid of this fraction, leaving you with 2 take away y. On this side you then get 5. To make it a little clearer about what's going on here, I'm going to rewrite it like this. 2 take away y is the same as having a negative y, or take away y, plus 2. So when I mark these, a lot of mistakes that were made is in the line that we had next. If you're trying to get rid of a 2 or a plus 2, you take it away. That was fine. But what didn't happen afterwards was, when you get your 3 on this side, there was a negative still with this y. You taking away this 2 didn't make that negative disappear, because that negative belongs to y. So we have minus y equals 3. If you end up in this situation, in order to turn it into a positive y, you need to multiply it or divide it by negative 1. All that does is it changes the signs of everything on both sides of an equation. It doesn't change the size of the value. So I multiply by minus 1, do the same over here. That negative y becomes positive, that positive 3 becomes negative. Y equals minus 3.